Welcome dear student. In this video we will discuss a very interesting topic of geography. It is volcanic hotspot and concept of mantle plume. You know very well about 90% volcano in the world found in a particular belt, that is circum-Pacific belt, mid-continental belt and mid-oceanic belt. But rest of the 5% volcano are not located near the margin of plate. So it becomes a riddle puzzle for geographer, particularly for the theorist and scientist of plate tectonic theory. To explain this riddle and puzzle, different attempts were made. Look, actually 5% volcano, those are also called intraplate volcano, are located into the hinterland or interior part of plate, like this Reunion volcano, Reunion Island, you know very well, that located just east to Madagascar near Africa continent, where you will find Piton de la Fournaise, a very active volcano that is considered as one of the most active volcano in the world. Again, you know very well, this is Mount Cameroon, or also called Mount Fako. This is Mount Kenya, this is Kilimanjaro. Again, the volcanic mountain of this Hawaiian series, Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, etc. And even the evidence of volcanic eruption, particularly in our Siberian region and in this part of USA, where Yellowstone National Park and Old Faithful Geyser is located. Scientists very confused, very shocked that this kind of volcano is located interior part of plate. Why? To explain this, the origin of such volcano, the person whose name is John Tujo Wilson. John Tujo Wilson was the Canadian physicist, and he was a renowned scientist that contributed in the development of plate tectonic theory. John Tujo Wilson said that, look, these are the volcano of intraplate are basically a result of mantle plume. So what is mantle plume? The question is here. Look, you know very well that our earth is divided into 3 concentric layers, that is our core, mantle and crust. Tujo Wilson said that as the temperature of core is very high, about 6000 degrees Celsius temperature is on an average assumed for outer core. So Tujo Wilson said that, look, near mantle core boundary, the bubble of energy, that is convective energy. So convective energy in form of bubble originates at the boundary of core and mantle beneath the earth surface about the depth of 2900 kilometer. About the depth of 2900 kilometer depth, bubble of convective waves forms. It gradually moves upward, starts moving upward. Meanwhile, it forms a shape, a particular shape it forms, that is mushroom shape. Look like mushroom. Finally, when it reaches below the mantle, like here, it starts accumulating just below the crust. means you know very well our crust, and those who are new in geography must know that the our upper crust and upper mantle, this part of earth is called lithosphere, and lithosphere is composed of different solid and rigid plate. They are moving apart and it is a continuous process of that plate movement. So what Tujo-Wilson claimed that this mantle plume rises toward crust, toward mantle, and reaches just below our lithosphere. After reaching that point, the hot spot forms due to accumulation of such convective energy here. So it forms a huge magma chamber, and this huge magma chamber just below the lithosphere is called hot spot. Hot spot. Now consider one more fact. Hot spot. So NASA after conducted a research and found that about 100 hot spot of such kind of magma found just below the earth surface. Now J.T. Wilson, John Tujo-Wilson claimed that, look, if our crust, our lithospheric plate, suppose this is lithospheric plate. So if lithospheric plate overlie just over this hot spot. Hot spot is nothing but the huge magma chamber. So whenever our plates comes closer above the hot spot like this, and if our plate is very thin, very weak, in that case what happens? This magma chamber give birth to a active volcano. So the theory of mantle plume claims that volcano found if plates overlie to the hot spot below earth surface. So it happens when weak and brittle plates comes over the hot spot. Now he claims that plate moves from one place to another place, like this way plate is moving. So after that, when this volcano formed, it replaced by another volcano like this. Again another volcano found in this part. So series of volcano exist on the plate, particularly interior part of plate, because of existence of such hot spot below the lithospheric plates. This theory later evaluated on the basis of different location. So what later scientists found? You can see what scientists found with that theory. Our India is also a result of hot spot, and it is Reunion hot spot. So Reunion volcano that is located on the hot spot, when erupted, the vast tract of land formed which is called Deccan Plateau. Again Siberia is also result of that hot spot that erupted during very ancient period. All such volcano are basically, whether it is Mount Cameroon, whether it is Mount Kenya, or even our Kilimanjaro, are result of such hot spot. Hawaiian series of volcano, Hawaiian rise it is often called. So Hawaiian series of volcano that stretches about 1000 kilometer, series of chain that is stretches about 1000 kilometer, and it is a series of volcano. The dead volcano found in this part, while active volcano like Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, and other volcano found in this part where hot spot is active. So in this way, scientists not only not only rectified this theory, but also the puzzle of interplate volcano solved with this theory. So this theory has proved very scientific, very rational. In this way, look, actually this question was once asked in UPSC examination, so that I explained it in very lucid manner. Hope you have understood this concept. We will discuss another interesting topic of geography in upcoming video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.